In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for CPAGRIP so you can start making money with CPA marketing. First, go to CPAGRIP.com or click the link in the description, then click Register at the top right corner to open the sign up page. Enter your first and last name, address, and your Skype username. This is required to communicate with your CPA manager. You don't need a company or website to sign up. Next, choose your publisher type. For most beginners, this will be offer if you plan to promote offers without a website. You can also fill in where you heard about CPAGRIP, then check the box to confirm you've read the terms, and click Register Now. After registering, you'll be sent a confirmation email. Click the link in that email to verify your account, and you're all set. You can now start promoting offers on CPAGRIP. If you want a full method to make money with CPAGRIP using free traffic, check out the video linked right here and watch it until the end.